In this video, I'm going to show you how to create avatar on Facebook. By watching this video, you will be able to make your own avatar, use your own avatar stickers, and also will be able to create new posts with your own avatar on Facebook. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe the channel to get this kind of videos regularly. Let's continue our today's topic. The feature allows Facebook users to create a cartoon avatar of themselves. They can use the avatar in comments, Facebook stories, and Messenger. If you can't wait to try the new feature, follow the steps that I'm going to show you. Let's begin. Step 1. Open up the Facebook application on your mobile device. Then tap on the 3 horizontal lines of your screen. Step 2. Scroll down and tap See More. Tap on Avatars. Step 4. Tap Next, then Get Started. Step 5. Choose a skin tone that best fits yours and then tap Next. Step 6. Now go through each section of your hairstyle, hair color, face shape, eye shape, and color, makeup, eyebrows, nose shape, and even facial hair, body shape, and outfit, and customize your avatar to your liking. There is even a section for face lines and complexion if you want to get down to the extreme details for your avatar. If you need to remind of what you actually look like, just tap the mirror icon at the top right of the screen to open your phone's front-facing camera. Step 7. When you are done customizing your avatar and are happy with how it looks, tap the check mark in the top right corner of your screen. Step 8. Once the screen finishes loading, tap Next. Step 9. Tap Done. Boom! Now that you have finished making your avatar for Facebook, you can tap on the arrow sign in the top right corner to share it to your Facebook feed or set it as a temporary profile picture. Or if you would like to make any changes to your avatar, click on the pencil icon. To see the different avatar stickers, tap on the sticker icon, the smiling square below the arrow. To use your avatar when making comments, simply tap on the smiley face next to the GIF icon and then tap on the avatar icon on the bottom of the screen. I hope this video was very helpful to you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Get connected to the tutorial lab. Thank you very much.